Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna give my Getresponse review. So if you are looking for what is Getresponse, who is for Getresponse, what you can do with Getresponse, and what is the price of Getresponse, whether it's affiliate friendly or not, so everything I'm gonna talk about in this video, guys, right? But before telling this, before giving my Getresponse review, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start or build your affiliate marketing business step by step. So yep, go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So guys, without any delay, let me give Getresponse review by going inside the Getresponse account, guys. So guys, you can see I'm logged in into my Getresponse account. So first thing, guys, what is Getresponse? Guys, in simple line, I would say it's a software through which you can collect emails, or you can say you can build email list. You can send emails to your subscriber on alternate day basis or on regular day basis, right? And you can promote your affiliate stuff through emails. You can promote your own stuff through emails to your you can say by sending emails to your subscriber or to your lead, right? And you can say you can create form, you can create newsletter, you can create landing page, you can add contacts, you can create autoresponder by using Getresponse, guys, right? So in simple line, as I told you, right, it's a simple, you can say, software through which you can build your email list and you can send emails to your subscriber promoting your affiliate stuff or your own stuff, guys. Even you can do other, you can say, marketing automation using Getresponse, guys, right? You can create landing page, you can create your sales funnel, guys, right? So it's an overall complete package, guys, for marketers like you and me, guys. You can do so many things using Getresponse, guys, right? So okay, now this is what Getresponse is, right? Now here, let me just show you what else you can do with Getresponse. So you can create list, guys, right? You can see that list. By the way, if you don't know how to create list, then down below I have put the link of my training where I have shown you that how you can create list, guys. So yep, you can go and watch that training. So you can see I have created training, right? Oh, sorry, I have created list, guys, using Getresponse. So that you can do. So actually the purpose of creating list is that when you create your list, email list, by giving it a name, from that list you can send emails to your subscriber and you can collect emails in that list, guys, right? Like for example, I'm promoting one funnel hour challenge. This is my affiliate offer. So by giving it, like you can say, I have given it a name, OFA12. So considering my affiliate offer, I have given it a name, OFA12, one funnel away, you can say challenge, right? 12. So in that list I can collect emails of my you can say prospect, and from that email list I can send emails to my subscriber, those who are into OFA12 list. So here through that email list I can promote my affiliate stuff, that is one funnel away challenge, or any other affiliate stuff in future, guys, right? So this is the purpose of creating list, guys, right? So that we can create using Getresponse, guys. Clear, right? So yes, this is the first thing we can do. Second thing, we can, as I told you, we can create autoresponder, or you can say we can create email sequence, guys, using Getresponse, or you say autoresponder email sequence. So when we create autoresponder, let me just show you. So when we create autoresponder, so we can send emails to our subscriber on daily basis, or we can send emails to our subscriber on alternate day basis, right? That we can do using Getresponse. Or even we can also send broadcast to our, you can say, our subscriber, guys, at one time, guys, right? So by the way, if you don't know how to create autoresponder or email sequence, down below I have put the link of this training. You can go and watch, guys, right? So here I'm just telling you what you can do, guys, by using Getresponse. So you can see I have created my autoresponder, guys, right? Or you can say email sequence. So yep, you can see that, right? So again, if you don't know how to create email sequence or autoresponder, down below there is a link, you can go and watch, right? So here I'm just showing you what you can do, guys, right? So what are the possibilities with Getresponse? So you can see that, guys, you can create a landing page if you want to build your email list, or if you want to promote your, you can say, free lead magnet, then yeah, you can use landing page, right? And on that landing page you can promote your free lead magnet, building your email list, right? Let me just show you. Or you can create funnel, you can create form, autoresponder, as I told you, you can create newsletter. Let me just show you. So they give you, you can say, some pre-built template, guys, that you can use for your marketing purpose, guys, right? So yep, you can create landing page, guys, using Getresponse. You can see these are the templates, guys, that you can use. So sign up. So yep, if I want only, you can say, want emails, then yes, I can use this template. You can see that, guys, right? So there are so many templates. If I'm into sales, then I can use template. Yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So based on your business needs, you can pick anyone, guys, right? So that you can do, guys. And yes, you can check all the reports, like how many people or subscriber who has opened your, you can say, emails, and how many people or subscriber they have, you can say, clicked on your link that you have sent through email, right? How many, you can say, people, those who have unsubscribed. Let me just show you. Yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So as this is my new account, so that's why it is not showing any data here. But as you start getting emails and you start getting, you can say, start sending emails to your subscriber, then yes, you will see everything here, guys. How many people, those who have opened, how many click, goals, social, and how many people unsubscribed, how many there were bounced emails or complaints, right? So you will see everything here, guys, and you can select, you can say, your autoresponder, guys, right? You can select your list, right? So based on your list, it will show the data, guys, right? And yeah, here you can check out your subscription. I mean to say, how many, you can say, people have subscribed to your, you can say, free offer or to your list, guys, right? You can see. So as I told you, right, this is my new account, so that's why it is showing only one. So let's assume some, like today you have got 20 leads, so here it will be showing 20 leads, guys, right? So how many unsubscribed and subscribed, so everything will be showing here, guys, right? So right, and you can search everything, right? You can segment your list. Yep, you can see that, guys, right? So guys, these are the things, guys, that you can do, guys, with Getresponse. And good thing about Getresponse is that, guys, it's affiliate friendly, guys. It's affiliate friendly. I see there are, you can say, autoresponders, they don't allow you promote your affiliate link or your affiliate offer. But yes, by using Getresponse, you can use or you can say, you can promote your affiliate link or your affiliate offer, guys, right? This is the beauty of this Getresponse, right? And yeah, these are the things, guys, that you can do with Getresponse. And yeah, now price, simple, guys. If you like, you can use free version, right? And for that you don't need to pay anything. You can go with their 30 days free trial period, right? And after that, yep, you can pick any plan, guys. You can see, you can pick a basic plan, and for that you need to pay or invest, right? I won't say you need to pay. You need to invest $15, and for 1000 subscriber you will be paying, or you will be investing $15 per month, guys, right? And yeah, if you want to upgrade, then yes, you can pick this one, $49 per month plan. Yeah, there will be 1000 subscriber, and then here with this you will be getting, you can say, some other features, guys. You can check out all those things what you will get with the plan that you opt for, guys, right? So there is $99 per month plan, and custom plan too, guys. So you can see that what are the features that you will be getting, guys. So this is the price, guys, that minimum is $15 per month. And yes, you can go with 12 months or 24-month plan, guys. So you can pick, guys, anyone, and according to that there will be discount, guys, right? And now, guys, who is for? Simply, guys, if you are a marketer, if you are a business owner, or if you are affiliate marketer, or you are coach, consultant, entrepreneur, and want to build your email list, want to send emails to your subscriber, want to promote your affiliate stuff or your own stuff, then yes, this is for you, guys. This is for you, right? So, guys, yep, if you want to check it out, then yes, down below I have put the link of this Getresponse. You can go and check out, guys, right? And yeah, guys, if you don't know how to create list, how to create autoresponder and how to create landing page, then yes, down below I have put the link of my trainings. You can go and check out, guys, right? If you don't know. So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions about Getresponse, yeah, you can ask your question. I will try my level best, right, to give you answer. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. And down below there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button, right? So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.